If your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 setup fails, here are some quick fixes that you can perform. First is to do initial checks and restarts. Power off and then restart your Galaxy Watch 8 and your phone. You can also turn the Bluetooth off and then on again in your phone settings, and then reopen the Wearable application. Also, to update the Galaxy Wearable app in your phone software, which is located inside the settings application, and then find the software update. Next is to do basic app cache troubleshooting. Go to your phone settings and then head to apps and find the Galaxy Wearable application and then find their storage and then clear the cache or the clear data. Also, you can uninstall the Galaxy Wearable app, start your phone, and then reinstall it from the Play Store. And inside your phone, you can find the Google Play services in the apps and just head to storage and manage storage and then clear the data and the cache. Now, for more advanced steps, is to reset the network settings, restart the watch, or factory reset the watch. And that's how you can fix the setup fail on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. And thank you for listening.